welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. How is everyone doing? Hope you're all staying safe. We are all coming out alive and stronger in Jesus' name. Please, if you have not subscribed, I need you to support me. Also share with your friends and hit the like button. So today I'll be showing you how I made this spinach sauce, which you can eat with plantain, yam, rice, potatoes, whatever you want. So in a pot, I added some oil on a very low heat. Next, I added some onions and some crayfish, and I stirred for some seconds. Next, I added the blended pepper. In there, I have few tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some onions. I added 3 Knorr stock cubes, some salt. So I'm going to combine together, and I covered for some minutes. Now the water content is reduced. So I added the catfish fillet, the Ponmo. I stirred. I covered it again, and I cooked for about 7 minutes. So my spinach, I already washed. I'm just going to slice the spinach before adding to the sauce. Sometimes I don't slice, I just add them in the whole form, but whichever one you want is what you should do. So now the water content again is reduced. I added some stock, and I will allow to cook. This is optional. You don't need to add any stock if you don't want to. Remember, spinach has got so much water content, so if you add more water and you're not careful, your sauce is going to be too watery. Allow to cook for a few minutes before adding the stock fish, the smoked turkey, my grilled tripe, and lamb. So I'm adding this at this point because they're already cooked, unlike the Ponmo and catfish fillet. So to me, this is the right time to add all this. And the water content is so reduced. So I'm eating mine with plantain. You can eat yours with whatever you want. You can use oatmeal as well. Just buy oats from the store, blend it, and make it the same way you make your regular pounded yam flour. So I'm going to cover and allow to cook for some minutes before adding the spinach. I normally add this at the very last stage because I don't like overcooking my vegetables. I don't like overcooking the vegetables in order to retain all the vitamins and nutrients. I just combined for about, let me say, about 30 seconds. I'm not so sure, maybe 1 minute. And then that's all. It's ready and ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.